Hello again, Lee here with MakeNoiseMusic.com. Today I'm going to expand on a couple of ideas discussed in the last video, controlling the Make Noise modular synthesizer with an MPC. If you haven't watched that video, you may want to go back and watch it first. Now that we've covered how to interface the Make Noise system and covered the basics of voltage-controlled amplifiers, let's build on that a bit in order to sequence a bassline. To get started, we'll start with a folded sine wave using the final output on the DPO into channel 1 of the Optimics. With cycling off, let's use an output from the MPC into mask channel 4 trigger input to create an envelope that will open the VCA via the Optimics' channel 1 control input. Note, this is the same way we created our kick drum in the first video. Next, we'll want to control the pitch of that waveform. To do that, we'll use the same trigger that's opening the VCA to clock the René sequencer via its X clock in. Patching from the René's quantized CV out to the DPO's volt per octave in will send a different voltage for each location on the René that will be used to control the pitch of the DPO. For a more in-depth look at the René, check out the videos René Logic Walkthrough and René 101 linked in the description. For now, I'm just going to cover the basics. Each time we hit a pad, the René will skip to the next location. Let's get a basic rhythm going on the MPC and record that loop. We'll use this as a starting point. We can now turn the knobs to program the notes played back to taste as the sequence is moving. The way this sequence runs, I think it would sound better if it had fewer steps before resetting. To do that, I just need to migrate to the Xmod page and turn on clock reset. This tells the René to reset the sequence every time a pulse is applied to the Xmod input. Now I can use the trigger from the MPC to reset the sequence. Let's make a new envelope using a trigger from the MPC into mask channel 1 with cycling disengaged. We'll now use this envelope to modulate the fold circuit on the DPO. This adds harmonics to the sound over time, which we'll use to add aggressive accents to our sequence. Now I'm going to overlay some samples from the MPC. Since it's already routed from before, I'll also use a pad to reset the sequence on the René periodically. Thanks again for watching. For more information, visit MakeNoiseMusic.com.